Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Young Slag here, back at it again. Yeah, we back though. Kind of been a long time since the last time I posted, in like a month or about. And trying to get back into it because, you know, New Year. I'm trying to start that grind, bro. Deadass. I want to start that grind. Just getting content out there for y'all, because, yeah, I mean, this year I'm gonna start buying 300Z actually. Never mind. Get content out. Last year I was really stupid. I kept on buying clothes and stuff. Not really like getting stuff like car parts for my YouTube channel. But I think now I'm gonna start buying car parts and stuff. Like this weekend I got a new glass coming in because my glass is cracked. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think we're gonna go test out these coilovers on the mountains. Do an official review on the D2s, you already know. And that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all when we get to my homie's house because he's gonna help me record this, yeah. Alright, so we make it to Buddy's house. His road's fucked, eh? His road's fucking dick. Waiting for him to pull up. So yeah, I was talking about my windshield getting fixed because there's a crack right there. Let me see if y'all can see that crack. Kinda can't. Yeah, you kind of see it right there. You see the crack right here. All right here. Yeah, we gotta fix that. Yeah, might end up putting on a banner because banner time. Tint the fucking fishbowl, eh? Yeah, tint this next. Look at this, buddy. All right, so I'll see you when I do. Fuck, bitch. Zoom in. It's the other way. We should be taking forever. Is this zoom? Oh, I don't know what that is. Go back. Focus. Bitch. Good.
S2K?
Yeah, what do you think it was?
Fucking
I knew you fucking were gonna say that dumb shit. I knew you were gonna say it was a fucking Miata. That's why, because I was like, why aren't you saying anything? Fucking reject.
Just fucking glance at it.
Glad to chill.
Alright, so we brought the fucking Touge monster up here. It's fucking dicked, eh? Fucking dicked ass lighting, eh? Fucking dicked. Got my fucking the iPhone over here recording.
Sorry, I missed that.
Yeah, we got the outside. Yeah, you cannot see that shit. For dick. That's the city over there. Came up just to say.
That's not nice.
Siri's talking to me. Piss off. Alright. Yeah, we brought the Touge monster up here. Testing out the coilovers. What do you think of our experience so far, Julio?
It's fucking cold.
It's cold. It's fucking scary as fuck up here. When cars pass by, I cannot see shit. These lights are dimmer than a motherfucker. And it fucking sucks ass. Yeah, we'll probably head back down the mountain and make a review video on these coilovers. Cause I'm not trying to fucking be here anymore. I'm getting fucked in the ass. The lights are very dark, big, and scary. Yeah. So yeah, probably see y'all in a bit. Touge monster is on the side of this road. Hopefully I don't get stuck in this fucking gravel, eh? This fucking gravel's dick. So yeah, we'll see y'all in a bit. Yeet. That's it for today's video today. Yeah, pretty much test out the new coilovers. What you think of it?
I don't fucking know.
Well, I thought it was actually pretty fucking good, I'm not gonna lie.
First time it's been in the car.
You know, yeah, in a minute. But yeah, I actually thought it was pretty good. Turns are fucking smooth as fuck, eh?
Yeah, just fucking rubs.
Oh yeah, rubs the dick tail on your side.
Oh yeah.
That was before they did it too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fucking it.
What the fuck are you trying to say?
Nothing.
Oh.
Alright, but yeah, other than that, fucking new year, we're gonna be grinding out these videos. What do we got planned for, what I have planned for this year?
I don't know.
New car?
New car, oh god.
Trip to Japan?
Trip to
Trip to Japan? What else we got?
I don't know. My car?
Your car?
My car, potentially. Hopefully.
Which car?
One of them. We don't know.
Which one, the 300 or the 3000?
Hopefully both.
Or the Eclipse?
Nah, the Eclipse is good.
The Eclipse is good, alright. Hopefully the 300, fuck the front wheel drive cars.
Fuck the
It's not rear wheel drive, it's not a real car.
Yeah.
But yeah, other than that, that's it for this video today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, see you on the next video. Yay!